Hello, globetrotters and adventure seekers. Welcome to Traveling Kangaroo. We're your go-to guide for exploring the hidden gems and celebrated wonders of our beautiful world. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey through the vibrant heart of the United States, Louisiana. We'll get a taste of New Orleans, savor the Cajun and Creole cultures, dance to the rhythm of jazz and blues, and even meet some famous faces. So buckle up and let's dive into the vibrant culture and unique attractions of Louisiana. First stop, the pulsating city of New Orleans. It's a city where the night comes alive with vibrant lights and lively music echoing through the streets. New Orleans is a grand symphony of cultures, histories, and experiences, all harmoniously playing together. Its historic sites stand as silent witnesses to the passage of time, each with a story to tell. From the iconic St. Louis Cathedral, the oldest continuously active Roman Catholic cathedral in the United States, to the hauntingly beautiful cities of the dead, New Orleans cemeteries. The city's architecture is a feast for the eyes, a delightful mix of French, Spanish, Creole, and American styles. Imagine strolling through the French Quarter, a kaleidoscope of colorful buildings adorned with intricate ironwork balconies, their walls whispering tales of centuries past. As the sun sets, the city transforms, offering a nightlife experience like no other. New Orleans truly is a city that never sleeps. Moving on, we delve into the rich Cajun and Creole culture. The story of Louisiana is incomplete without the captivating tales of the Cajun and Creole people. Rooted in French ancestry, their unique culture is a beautiful blend of influences from Africa, Spain, and the Caribbean. Their language, a melodious variant of French, often fills the air with its rhythmic cadence, adding to Louisiana's distinctive charm. And who can forget the customs? Traditions passed down through generations, from their vibrant dance styles to their local festivals, like the joyous Courrier de Mardi Gras, truly bring the community together. But the soul of Cajun and Creole culture lies in its cuisine. Savory jambalaya, spicy gumbo, and succulent crawfish etouffee, their food is a reflection of their history, a delicious medley of influences from around the world. This rich cultural blend is what gives Louisiana its unique flavor. Next, we experience the world-renowned Mardi Gras, a kaleidoscope of colors, sounds, and emotions. Mardi Gras is more than a festival, it's a cultural phenomenon. Born from the traditions of French settlers and infused with African, Native American, and Caribbean influences, Mardi Gras has become synonymous with the spirit of Louisiana. From vibrant parades to indulgent feasts, it's a time when the entire state comes alive in a celebration of life itself. Mardi Gras, a festival that captures the spirit of Louisiana. Now, let's tune into the soulful jazz and blues music. Born in the vibrant heart of New Orleans, jazz and blues are the lifeblood of Louisiana's rich culture. These soulful genres, steeped in a history of expression and resilience, have echoed through the bayous and dance halls for centuries. Their influence reaches far beyond Louisiana's borders, shaping the global music scene. The unique rhythm, the passionate melodies, they all speak to the spirit of this vibrant state. Louisiana, the birthplace of jazz and blues, continues to influence the world's music scene. Next, we embark on a culinary adventure featuring crawfish, gumbo, and jambalaya. The gastronomic scene in Louisiana is a spicy blend of cultures and flavors, with these three dishes holding a place of honor. Crawfish, often referred to as the Louisiana lobster, is not just a dish, but a social event. Boiled in a pot of spices and enjoyed with friends, it's a true celebration of local cuisine. Gumbo, a hearty stew with a mix of meat and seafood served over rice, is the embodiment of Louisiana's melting pot culture, blending French, Spanish, African, and Native American influences. Each bowl tells a story of the region's rich history. Then there's jambalaya, a one-pot wonder filled with meat, vegetables, and rice. It's a dish that captures the spirit of Louisiana, diverse, vibrant, and utterly delicious. A visit to Louisiana is incomplete without savoring these mouth-watering dishes. Let's not forget the famous faces that hail from Louisiana. Reece Witherspoon, the Academy Award-winning actress known for her roles in Legally Blonde and Walk the Line, was born in New Orleans. Then there's Leto, an actor and musician who won an Oscar for his role in Dallas Buyers Club. His band, 30 Seconds to Mars, also boasts a worldwide fan base. These Hollywood stars are a testament to the talent that Louisiana produces. Finally, we explore the enchanting bayous and historic French Quarter. The bayous, those slow-moving creeks or marshy outlets, are an integral part of Louisiana's landscape. They hold a certain mystique, teeming with a unique blend of wildlife and vegetation. Among the moss-draped cypress trees, you might spot alligators, herons, or even a playful otter. Next, we step into the French Quarter, the oldest neighborhood in New Orleans. With its vibrant history, exquisite architecture, and captivating spirit, this place is a living testament to the city's French and Spanish roots. Here, you can marvel at the Creole townhouses with their lacy ironwork balconies and the famous St. Louis Cathedral, standing tall against the test of time. The Bayous and the French Quarter, each in their own way, whisper stories of the past and continue to shape the culture of Louisiana today. These iconic places capture the essence of Louisiana's charm. And that, dear travelers, concludes our journey through Louisiana. We've soaked up the vibrant culture of New Orleans, indulged in the flavors of Cajun and Creole cuisine, and danced to the heart-stirring beats of jazz and blues. We've also explored the enchanting bayous and the historic French Quarter. Thank you for joining us on this adventure. Don't forget to subscribe to Traveling Kangaroo and visit our website travelingkangaroo.com for more exciting adventures. Safe travels and see you in the next video!